How to fix WhatsApp unable to backup message problem on Android. If any day you are an Android user and you are facing the problem of your WhatsApp unable to backup on your very Android device and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to find your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on it for a while. After you tap on it for a while, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the I like option. After you tap on the I like option, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to enable, allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permissions, you have to allow the permission to call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification phone, photos and videos, and SMS. Now you can go back again and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable, open the supported links, and then go back again. After going back, now you have to go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see any of the cache out there, you can clear down the cache and then go back again and then go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, even if your problem is not solved, you can just send an email to your developer contact by tapping on the option of email there. And after the developer of the WhatsApp receives your email within 24 hours, your problem may be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.